Want to know how to find recently watched videos on Facebook? You would want to find recently watched videos on Facebook as it ensures you don't lose track of interesting content and make it easier to revisit the video when needed. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Then tap on the Settings option. Likewise, scroll down to your Activity section and tap on the Activity Log option at the top. Here you can see the Video Watched option. Tap on it. So this is how to find recently watched video on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.